Gusto and Intuit QuickBooks are two payroll providers that receive excellent reviews. While both are comprehensive payroll services, Gusto is known to be more scalable and user-friendly when it comes to startups and new ventures. QuickBooks integrates better with accounting software for a one-stop view of a company's financial health and enables you to pay employees faster with same-day direct deposits in its top-tiered plan. So in this video, we'll be comparing both payroll providers, and I recommend watching till the very end to know the final verdict on which is better. Alright, so let's get started. Gusto and QuickBooks are solid choices when it comes to choosing payroll software. Both scale to businesses, though Gusto is more accommodating to a business scaling from a few employees to several hundred. QuickBooks limits its application to 150 employees. Both providers offer benefits administration, so employers can offer key benefits packages with ease to all employees. However, QuickBooks' plan is outsourced to a third party, Simply Insured. For businesses that work mainly with contractors, either system will give you the option to pay contractors directly, with Gusto even offering a contractors-only plan. When comparing Gusto and QuickBooks side by side, there are many similarities. Both payroll providers give employees a portal to review and manage their payroll. This eliminates a lot of extra work for payroll administrators. Both plans integrate with third-party providers, such as accounting and time tracking services, although QuickBooks is best paired with other Intuit products. Employers can better manage cash flow with ledger reports and analytics provided by the platform. These insights show how much and where money is flowing, so you can determine the ROIs of certain departments or projects. While Gusto offers analytics, it doesn't offer a ledger report as QuickBooks does. QuickBooks has a slightly more extensive customer support center available in the early morning hours for business leaders trying to tackle payroll before the workday begins. Overall, both providers are very similar and get similar star ratings in our proprietary reviews. QuickBooks Payroll's core plan comes with next-day direct deposit, and its premium and elite plans come with same-day direct deposit. For next-day direct deposit, payroll must be submitted by 5 p.m. PT the day before payday. For same-day direct deposit, it must be submitted by 7 a.m. PT the morning of payday. The fastest direct deposit Gusto offers is next day in its Plus and Premium plans. Its simple plan comes with 2-day direct deposit. QuickBooks Payroll and Gusto both have in-house time tracking software that lets employees clock in and out and track time spent on particular projects. QuickBooks Payroll's higher-tier plans include a GPS tracking option that sets them apart though. The feature, which also lets you track employee mileage, is especially helpful for teams that work at different job sites. Employers can set up a geofence that nudges employees to clock in and out when they enter and exit a job site. We like both Gusto and QuickBooks as payroll provider solutions for small to mid-sized businesses. Gusto has the ability to scale a bit higher than the 150 employee cap of QuickBooks, making it a bit more dynamic for growing businesses. However, the costs of Gusto can add up quickly for its popular complete plan, putting a strain on companies with slim budgets for payroll services. So I believe that's enough for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.